Alright, we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and review on the Derale Performance Remote Filter Kit. This is the 15708. Seems to be a pretty common kit. A lot of guys are running them as remote trans filters on GM vehicles. So when you open it up, you'll get the nipple that threads into the housing for your oil filter to go onto. One side of it is barbed, so once it threads in theory it shouldn't be able to thread back out. You'll get the housing itself. Has two ports. It's labeled in and out for what way the oil needs to flow. Get 3 mounting screws and 2 push-on or push-lock style nipples to thread into these. A lot of the reviews online were saying they're plastic, and they actually appear to be aluminum. We are going to be installing another one that's already put together on a 2005 Chevy Tahoe for a transmission filter. I will get some pictures of it once it's up and follow up with thoughts on how smooth everything goes on the car and how well everything works.